Seeing the myriad of influencer success stories online may have you wanting to start a content-led business. But growth on social media isn't always straightforward, and monetization is even less so. Making monetization easy and straightforward is the reason Epicenter exists. I'm Justin, and I'm excited to share with you the very first Epicenter product spotlight video. We'll be going over 5 features today from 2024 that are helping monetize creator businesses. We're also going to be teasing our first launch of 2025, which is going to help creators dominate their affiliate deals. Epicenter got its start as a link in bio page builder. When you start generating an audience online, you need a place to direct your supporters to. Now, this usually manifests as a long list of links where people can support you. It's simple and affordable. However, these pages are unoriginal and frequently suffer from poor performance in converting a casual audience to paying customers. We wanted to keep the simplicity of these other solutions, but provide layouts that convert well and portray your brand to your audience. And the performance speaks for itself. For an Instagram page in the 3D modeling space, we were able to 3x sales by adding an interactable 3D model to their landing page. This layout is one of the 5 unique ones that we offer, and they're all optimized for conversions while remaining easy to use. As Epicenter continues to break into different niches, this library will grow to give you control over your branding without needing to compromise on performance. What would your link in bio look like if you were putting your best self on display to your subscribers? On the subject of improving conversions, let's talk about our A/B testing unit. Having a great looking landing page is only one small part of growing a business online. You also need great messaging that convinces your audience that you have the solution to their problems. Our A/B testing feature helps you fine-tune that messaging. With it, you pick 2 different pages to serve your users. Epicenter will display the competing pages to different people. Then you'll gain stats in your dashboard on which works better, so you can prune the one that's not working so well. Whether you're testing a layout, headline, or call to action, it's all about finding out what works best so you're not losing sales to bad copy. Something that frustrates me about selling online is how high marketplace fees are. Etsy and others charge a premium to list on their platforms. This is in part because they already have customers frequenting the site and they can direct those customers to you. But what if you're the one driving traffic to your digital storefront? And what if you want to engage with your customers off-platform? Sometimes that's not even allowed through centralized marketplaces. That's why we launched a beta test of Epicenter Shop this December. All you need is a Stripe account for deposits and you can start selling straight through your Epicenter. Listing products is easy and you can streamline the flow from your landing page to being able to complete a purchase. We've had great success fulfilling digital products last year, and we're working on options to collect shipping information to fulfill physical products as well. Now, this won't replace your large-scale Shopify stores just yet, but this is a great lightweight solution for when you're starting out and testing products without having hefty marketplace fees eating into your profits. Now, this brings us to our next feature we spent a lot of time on in 2024, email building. We all know how scary it can be for a platform to shut down our account, immediately removing access to our audience. Or maybe a platform shuts down altogether. Email lists are a great safety net when platforms or algorithms decide to stop serving our content. And guess what? With just a few clicks, not only will you be collecting email from your purchasers, you can also add email collection right into your landing page. Think of the value you could give your subscribers through things like exclusive offers or newsletters if emailing them was just simple, especially when they already want more content from you. The last feature we're showcasing today before our sneak peek is our smart link technology. There's plenty of opportunity to use the wrong link when promoting your business, especially when talking about things like email marketing or creating QR codes. As an example, these 3 links all go to the same destination, but only one of them saves you 3% on sales made through that page. Link shorteners, dynamic QR codes, and deep links are among some of the link technologies that are available to solve problems like this. We're bringing all of these under one roof with Smart Links. With Smart Links, you can generate a URL that you can print, turn into a QR code, or use as a deep link to other applications, then publish them wherever you use links. This link is very short, which not only makes displaying it nice, resulting QR codes are very easy to scan. If you ever need to change the destination of a Smart Link, it's as easy as updating its URL. The Smart Link will then immediately direct new traffic to the new destination. Plus, you can even see analytics on where and how these links are being used to help you double down on traffic that's generating you money. They're as flexible as you need them to be, whether you're just posting an affiliate link or printing out thousands of QR codes for your business's packaging. So there you have it, some of Epicenter's most important features of 2024. One of the really neat things is how interconnected all of these features are to use. When you're setting up your landing page, you're inadvertently creating smart links without any extra effort. Selling items through your shop builds your email list the same way it would through your landing page. We want to create an ecosystem that's connected and easy to use. So for our sneak peek into 2025, let's look at WinWin, the browser extension for your audience to track your affiliate deals. Studies show that 5% of creators rely on affiliate revenue as their primary source of income. A much higher percent use it as supplemental income. But time and time again, creators embed these deals deep into their content, making it easy for subscribers to miss out on great deals they're providing. What if you could instead reach your audience where it's most convenient for them, when they're ready to use your affiliate deals? Would your revenue increase by 10%, 20%, more? Well, WinWin's exactly that experiment. Your audience can install WinWin into their browser and subscribe to you through the extension. Then, wherever they are on the web, they have access to your affiliate deals. It gives incredible value where it's most convenient to your audience, as opposed to being an Easter egg hidden in your content for your diehard fans. And just like the other features, WinWin's a very simple integration. As you're building your landing page, you can automatically populate WinWin with your affiliate links and codes. We're launching this very soon, so if you want to get your Epicenter up and running and be one of the first to use WinWin, visit the link I have in the description. More regarding WinWin coming very soon. And that's our 2024 recap. I hope this has been an insightful look into the platform, and I'm really excited to continue to build Epicenter alongside talented creators and entrepreneurs. Until next time.